What is happening, traders? Thank you for tuning in. It is Thursday, February 25th, 3:30 p.m. here on the West Coast in Los Angeles, California. And today we're going to be talking about Uxin. We're going to be going over what to look for in a penny stock. At the end of the day, Uxin is a penny stock, and I have 4 categories that I personally look for. I did ignore some of those categories when I got into Uxin because I saw other potential in this. And I'm just going to share this with you guys because I've been seeing a lot of comments that I am bullish on this stock and I'm too bullish on this stock and I don't point out enough bear articles or enough downside. And so I'm just going to go through what I saw as my downside factors when I got into this stock and why what's coming out, I don't believe the fundamentals have changed at all. They don't disclose enough information. We get into that. That's one of my factors that makes me wary about this stock. But at the same time, there is potential. There is great potential. China itself wants to build a market in which this company is in. We're going to take a look, guys. I switched out my usual coffee for a beer today because the market's been, I don't even want to talk about it really, but I hope you guys are buying the dip. I really, really hope you guys are buying the dip because you guys are getting discounts right now. I don't know if you guys are buying Jumia, if you're buying Workhorse, if you're buying Up FinTech Holdings, whatever you guys are buying. If you're buying more Uxin, whatever you're buying, guys, buy the dips. It's a discount. And if you're new around here, hit the subscribe button below, guys. We're trying to get to 500 in the first 3 months. Join the family. We love a big family. So when I'm looking at a penny stock, these are the 4 things I look for. The first one is I grade the quality of management. The second one is I evaluate the financials. The third one is I want to know the quality of the disclosure. Are they giving me good information? Are they giving me enough information? And is the business plan achievable? Are they set out to do something that they can't do? Are they set out to do something that they don't have the money to do? These are all things that I look for because these are red flags. And if these simple red flags make me not interested in the stock, then I know I should go the other way because it's personally this is my way of determining if I want to get into penny stocks. Let's take a look at the quality of management. We got Mr. Kundai. So he built carresume.com in 2005, which was China's first online used car website. So that is a good sign. He's been in this industry for a very, very long time. He then went on to work for BitAuto, which is an auto information provider. And so he has the ins, he has the outs, he has the know-how with the backing of the Chinese government. I believe the management is well versed in auto information, auto industry, because if I continue to go on, I think this is how you pronounce his name. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's Zishin Zhang. But anyways, he has over 10 years of experience in the automobile industry and auto e-commerce sector. He also worked for BitAuto prior. And more recently, we have Feng Lin, who is the new CFO, just started back in January 2021. He has over 15 years of experience overseeing finance and operation at multinational corporations across technology, financial, and real estate industries. And so the quality of management, let's just say on a scale of 1 to 10, I think they're at about a solid 7, 8, 9. I can't say a 9 actually because this is still a penny stock, but once they get out of the penny stock, hopefully coming in earnings in March, this should be a good one. My next screener for penny stocks is check the financials. But I already know the financials are shit. So I don't even have to go through them. I already knew they were shit when I got into this company. Don't forget to join the family, guys. Hit the subscribe button below. Don't juice me like that. And also, guys, if you want to follow me on Instagram, Let's Talk Trades on Instagram. We're there, baby. Anyways, the third thing I look for is the quality of disclosure. Do they release a lot of information? Do they release good information? The answer is no. Uxin does not release good information. They do not release quality information because they don't really release any information. I have emailed Uxin so many times to try and get any response. Nothing. Every single time. I've emailed multiple other companies where I get a response within days. I haven't heard anything besides crickets from Uxin. Now we get to the fourth screener. Is the business plan achievable? When I got in, they had just done the turnaround. They had just announced that they were going to go to an inventory owning model. I do think they can turn their business around. I mean, especially with the Chinese government backing them, the Chinese government is creating incentives to buy used cars. They're loosening the restrictions on getting those license plates. I was reading about the Chinese license plates and not being able to register cars in separate provinces and all kinds of stuff like that. That China's loosening the grips on those. And so they're really trying to build their own secondary car market, and Uxin is going to be a big player in that. The EV sector is going to cannibalize Uxin eventually if they do not get into the EV sector. But that is for some years to come. There is still a big market for the next 2, 3, maybe 4 years that they can turn their business around and be a major player in that space. They've improved their NPS score drastically. The transition has only started since September of 2020, and I think right about now at the 6 month range, it would be a good time to gauge where it's at when earnings come out next month. Will be really telling. The earnings will be telling. If good earnings, we should see good results because the car market in the United States is booming. So the car market in China should be booming as well. And if it's not corresponding, then maybe it is time to get out. I have been very bullish on this stock. I was thinking 180. We pushed 160 and it pushed back down. And so I was definitely thinking we were going to get back up. And that's very well possible. I mean, the entire market was red for a few days now. The volatility going on with Wall Street bets and the retail investors brings a little skepticism. The bond yields have everybody scared. But overall, I think these red days are discount days. I don't think any fundamentals have changed in this company. I'm still waiting for earnings. They haven't released any information. If you have any extra information that we don't know about, please share it, guys. Again, I think Uxin's going to be a $10, $15 stock by end of year. This earnings should really bump this stock up to $5. So I'm thinking $5 by end of March maybe. So let me know what you guys think about that price prediction. $5 end of March, $10, $15 end of year. Drop me a comment below, guys. Let me know. Thank you for tuning in to Let's Talk Trades. Again, Let's Talk Trades on Spotify. We have a podcast coming out. Let's Talk Trades on Instagram, guys. And Let's Talk Trades on Twitter. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Jason. See you next time, guys.